those which I shared with you. I can never forget those beautiful moments. Thanks for making my life so beautiful. I have only one wish. I want to live with you and die with you. You are so precocious. I don't know what gift I can offer you, so I offer my heart and soul to you. I want you to be the owner of my heart. In return, just be my love till eternity. I love you more than anything in this world. I am the luckiest person to have someone like you as my boyfriend. You have made every moment of my life so wonderful. I will love you with all my heart and soul till my last breath. The more I know you, the more I fell in love with you. I like each and everything about you. Your heart is very beautiful. I want to be in your heart always. I love you. For me, your love is the most precocious thing in the world. Your sweet love fills my heart with countless joy. It is a privilege to have you as my soul mate. I feel lucky every moment. Before meeting you, I was lost and hopeless, and one day my prayer accepted. God send you like an angel in my life. Now I just want to be with you till the eternity. I love you more than anything in my life. I want you not only in this birth but every time I come in this world. I want you to be mine. Nothing can be more beautiful than your love. Nothing can more important than loving you. The day should be my last day. If I stop loving you, I don't want to take a single breath without loving you. You are my purpose and you are my life. I love you so much. The greatest achievement of my life is finding true love in you. You gave meaning to my life. When I am in your arms, my heaven is here. I don't want anything else. Diamonds and gold hold no value when compared to your love for me. Your love is the most precious treasure for me. I love you so much. No matter how many times I take birth, I can never find a person like you. of all the good things this world can offer. I will always choose you. I never want to lose you. I love you. You now I am always little weak in expressing love, but through this message, I want to pour my heart and tell that I love you with all my heart and soul. Every time when I see your lovely face, my heart and soul fill with heavenly joy. I just don't need anything in this world. Your love is enough for me. With you, I want to spend the rest of my life, and I never can stop loving you, honey. My most precious moments are those which I shared with you. I can never forget those beautiful moments. Thanks for making my life so beautiful. I have only one wish. I want to live with you and die with you. It is your passion in your eyes, or this me that being more ways I get lost in your charm. Day, the way you look at me and say that I mean the world to you. There is a magic in every world, and through baby stay as you are, the way you are to me, 'cause I love you that way, feeling special all through, baby. I love you. Thanks for watching video.